Discover 13 innovative tools you've never heard of. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome to LexTech. Are you ready to take your DIY game to the next level? Say goodbye to your old, boring tools and get ready to discover 13 innovative tools that will revolutionize the way you tackle your DIY projects. In this video, we'll introduce you to a world of game-changing tools that you probably never even knew existed. Get ready to be amazed by cutting-edge ratcheting wrenches, specialized drill plate cutters, and much more. These tools are designed to make your DIY tasks easier, faster, and more efficient, giving you the confidence and precision you need to tackle any project. So, are you ready to upgrade your DIY game? Let's dive in and explore these innovative tools that will take your DIY skills to the next level. SP Quick Flow. The SP Quick Flow is a cutting-edge power tool designed for professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike. This innovative product is designed to make plumbing tasks quicker and easier thanks to its high-performance features. With a powerful motor and a compact design, the SP Quick Flow can effortlessly cut through pipes, plastic tubes, and other materials with precision and ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The SP Quick Flow also features safety measures such as a blade guard and a lock-off switch, ensuring safe operation at all times. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, the SP Quick Flow is a reliable and efficient tool that will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Ibenstock EDB 480.1. The Ibenstock EDB 480.1 is a high-performance diamond core drill designed for professional use. This powerful and reliable tool is capable of drilling through a wide range of materials, including concrete, brick, and stone. Its robust construction and durable motor make it suitable for heavy-duty applications, while its compact design allows for easy handling and maneuverability in tight spaces. The Ibenstock EDB 480.1 also features a built-in water cooling system that ensures efficient drilling and prevents overheating of the drill bit. Its ergonomic handle and adjustable side handle provide a comfortable grip and improved control during operation. With its impressive performance and durability, the Ibenstock EDB 480.1 is a top choice for professionals who require a reliable and efficient diamond core drill. Quad Saw. The Quad Saw is an innovative power tool that revolutionizes the way you cut square or rectangular holes in drywall for electrical boxes. This unique tool features 4 rotating blades that cut perfect square holes with minimal effort and maximum precision. The Quad Saw attaches to a standard drill, making it easy to use and compatible with most drill types. Its adjustable depth guide allows for precise cutting at various depths, while its dust collection system keeps the work area clean and tidy. The Quad Saw is suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional electricians, offering a fast, efficient, and accurate solution for cutting square holes in drywall for electrical boxes. With the Quad Saw, you can save time and effort on your electrical installations, making it a must-have tool for any DIYer or electrician. Olfa SK16. The Olfa SK16 is a versatile and reliable utility knife that offers superior cutting performance for a wide range of applications. This high-quality cutting tool features a durable stainless steel blade that is perfect for cutting through various materials, including paper, cardboard, plastic, and more. Its unique design includes a self-retracting blade that automatically retracts when the cutting pressure is released, ensuring safe and secure storage when not in use. The Olfa SK16 also features a comfortable handle with an anti-slip grip, providing excellent control and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. With its sharp blade and ergonomic design, the Olfa SK16 is a top choice for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable and efficient utility knife for their cutting needs. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our content and would like to support our channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future videos. ManSaver. The ManSaver is a groundbreaking tool designed to make lifting heavy objects easier and safer. This innovative product features a durable steel frame with adjustable handles that allows users to lift and carry heavy items, such as furniture, appliances, and construction materials, with reduced strain and risk of injury. The ManSaver's ergonomic design minimizes the need for bending, twisting, or lifting with the back, helping to prevent common lifting-related injuries. It also features wide, non-slip grips on the handles for improved stability and control during use. The ManSaver is a must-have tool for anyone who regularly lifts heavy objects, whether for DIY projects or professional use, as it provides a safer and more efficient way to handle heavy loads. Deck Pro. The Deck Pro is a high-quality decking tool designed to streamline the process of building and installing decks. This innovative tool features a unique 3-in-1 design that combines a deck spacer, a deck board straightener, and a deck fastener alignment tool in one compact and convenient package. The Deck Pro allows for precise spacing between deck boards, ensuring consistent and professional-looking gaps. Its straightening feature helps to straighten bowed or warped boards, resulting in a straight and even deck surface. The Deck Pro also aligns deck fasteners, making it easy to attach deck boards securely and uniformly. With its durable construction and versatile functionality, the Deck Pro is a valuable tool for both professional contractors and DIYers who want to achieve a flawless and efficient deck installation. Marshalltown Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper. The Marshalltown Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper is a robust and versatile tool designed for heavy-duty scraping tasks. This durable scraper features a strong steel blade that is capable of removing paint, adhesives, and other stubborn materials from surfaces such as concrete, wood, and metal. Its dual-sided blade design provides increased versatility, allowing users to use either the straight blade or the angled blade depending on the scraping task at hand. The Marshalltown Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper also features a comfortable handle with a grip for improved control and reduced hand fatigue during extended use. With its heavy-duty construction and versatile blade design, this scraper is a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers who require a tough and effective tool for their scraping needs. Rapid Pro R19 Hammer Tacker. The Rapid Pro R19 Hammer Tacker is a high-quality, heavy-duty staple gun designed for professional use. This durable and reliable tool is capable of handling a wide range of stapling tasks, including fastening heavy materials such as insulation, roofing felt, and upholstery fabrics. The Rapid Pro R19 Hammer Tacker features a robust construction with a steel body and a powerful spring-loaded mechanism for consistent and reliable stapling performance. It also includes an adjustable depth control, allowing users to adjust the staple penetration for different materials and applications. The ergonomic handle with a soft grip provides comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The Rapid Pro R19 Hammer Tacker is a top choice for professionals who require a reliable and powerful staple gun for their demanding stapling tasks. TerraTrencher. The TerraTrencher is a cutting-edge landscaping tool designed for efficient and precise trenching tasks. This innovative tool features a unique design that allows users to dig narrow trenches in various terrains, including grass, soil, and gravel with ease. The TerraTrencher utilizes a rotating chain blade that digs through the ground while minimizing disruption to the surrounding landscape. Its adjustable depth control allows for precise trenching at different depths, making it suitable for various landscaping applications such as installing irrigation systems, burying cables or wires, and creating landscape borders. The TerraTrencher also features a durable construction with a powerful motor, ensuring reliable performance even in tough soil conditions. With its efficiency, versatility, and ease of use, the TerraTrencher is a cutting-edge tool for landscaping professionals and DIYers alike. PrestaCycle Torque Ratchet. The PrestaCycle Torque Ratchet is a unique and versatile ratcheting tool designed for precise torque application in various applications. This innovative tool features a ratcheting mechanism with adjustable torque settings, allowing users to accurately tighten bolts and fasteners to the desired torque specifications. The torque ratchet also includes interchangeable socket heads, making it compatible with a wide range of fastener sizes and types. Its compact and ergonomic design provides ease of use and access in tight spaces, making it ideal for automotive, DIY, and other mechanical applications. The PrestaCycle Torque Ratchet is a reliable and efficient tool that helps ensure proper torque application reducing the risk of over-tightening or under-tightening, and providing precise and consistent results. Adjustable Ratcheting Socket Tool. The Adjustable Ratcheting Socket Tool is a versatile and practical tool that combines the functionality of a ratchet wrench with the adaptability of an adjustable wrench. This innovative tool features an adjustable socket that can be easily adjusted to fit various fastener sizes, eliminating the need for multiple socket wrenches. It also includes a ratcheting mechanism that allows for quick and efficient tightening or loosening of fasteners with minimal effort. The Adjustable Ratcheting Socket Tool features a durable construction with a comfortable grip handle, making it easy to use for various tasks, such as assembling furniture, repairing appliances, or working on automotive projects. With its versatility and convenience, the Adjustable Ratcheting Socket Tool is a must-have tool for DIYers and professionals alike. 3M Hand Masker. The 3M Hand Masker is an innovative tool designed to simplify the process of masking and protecting surfaces during painting or other finishing applications. This unique tool allows users to easily apply masking tape and paper to surfaces, such as walls, windows, and furniture, for precise and efficient masking. The Hand Masker features an ergonomic handle with a built-in tape dispenser and paper cutter, making it easy to apply tape and paper in one smooth motion. It also includes an adjustable masking arm that allows for customizing the width of the masked area, providing flexibility for different painting or finishing projects. The 3M Hand Masker is a time-saving and convenient tool that helps achieve professional results with minimal effort, making it a favorite among painters, decorators, and DIY enthusiasts. SALI Drill Plate Cutter. The SALI Drill Plate Cutter is a specialized cutting tool designed for efficient and precise drilling of holes in various materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. This cutting tool features a unique design with a circular plate that includes multiple sharp cutting edges, allowing for smooth and clean drilling without splintering or chipping. The drill plate cutter is compatible with the most standard drill chucks and can be used with both corded and cordless drills. It is also adjustable, allowing users to customize the hole size by simply adjusting the drill bit position on the plate. The SALI Drill Plate Cutter is a reliable and efficient tool for DIYers and professionals who require clean and precise holes in their woodworking, metalworking, or other drilling projects. Which tool are you going to buy right now and why? That's all from today. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like.